Welcome back to my Hamcrafty channel. Guess the answer by hint. Test your skill by answering the hint before starting. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start with this easy hints. Clue: charging bull on a golden shield. Answer: Lamborghini. Clue: three-pointed star in a circle. Mercedes-Benz. Clue: a black horse standing on two legs. Answer: Ferrari. Clue: a spinning propeller in blue and white. Answer: BMW. Clue: a standing lion on two legs. European brand. Answer: Peugeot. Clue: three-pointed star in a circle. Answer: Volkswagen. Clue: four rings in a horizontal line. Answer: Audi. Clue: checkered flag inspired, mostly black, muscle car brand. Answer: Dodge. Clue: stars in a night sky shape, symbol of ruggedness. Answer: Subaru. Clue: snake inside a crest with a cross, Italian. Answer: Alfa Romeo. Clue: snake and horse, American muscle. Answer: Ford Mustang Cobra. Clue: H in a blue oval. Answer: Hyundai. Clue: H in a blue oval. Answer: Toyota. Clue: a standing lion on two legs. European brand. Answer: Jeep. Clue: big cat leaping forward. Answer: Jaguar. Clue: Indian logo with elephant inside a circle. Answer: Ashok Leyland. Clue: mountain goat-like creature, symbol of toughness. Answer: Ram. Clue, dark, mysterious sports car symbol. Answer, Bugatti. Clue, blue boatie. Answer, Chevrolet. Clue, known for toughness and off-roading. Answer, Land Rover. Clue, diamond-shaped logo. Answer, Renault. Thanks for watching.